Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this one, we're going to have a look at the new features of Web Intelligence 4.3 SP1. For this release, we've made sure to listen to your feedback and implemented details that you guys have been asking for, especially in the user interface. So, without further ado, let's have a look. We've redesigned the side panel to make interactions with the canvas easier. We've also worked on the charts integration. The main panel now groups the objects, structure, map, comments, and properties panes. The second panel groups the data and format panes. Both panels now have dedicated icons and can be opened and closed independently. In an effort to simplify your workflow, we've reworked the way to add charts on the canvas. Previously, you had to select the default chart of a category and use the turn into method to select the chart that was right for the job. In 4.3 SP1, we've added the possibility to insert charts directly from the Insert menu in the toolbar. Navigate through the chart category sub-menus and select the right chart directly. So, we've redesigned the side panel, but we also wanted to make sure that you could recognize objects straight away thanks to new icons whose colors are taken from the 4.2 code line. These icons are consistently used everywhere in the interface: in the query panel, in the main and build side panels, in the formula editor, conditional formatting, input controls dialog boxes, and so on. We've improved the behavior of groups of input controls for better integration with the filter path. Until now, you had to add each input control of a group to the filter path manually. You can now add all controls of a group directly to the filter path when creating a group. In the new group dialog, a new Add All ICs to the filter path option is enabled by default, so you don't have to think twice about adding them manually after the fact. With this release, we've also made some catch-up on features that were missing from the previous version. Let's check them out. We've reintroduced the user interface configuration via the central management console. Customization allows you to hide multiple interface elements to simplify the way end users interact with the application, depending on user groups and folders containing Web Intelligence documents. You can hide data source types, turn off the auto-refresh feature, export file type, and many more. We've also simplified the granularity, and customization is now applied at a feature level. Hyperlinks editing is also back in Web Intelligence. Create links to other reports within the same document using intra-document linking, to other documents using inter-document linking, or to web URLs. Within the new hyperlink dialog, we wanted to give you the opportunity to create links simply. If you want to link to another report within the same document, select the report you want to link to with the dedicated dropdown, add a label to the link, and you're good to go. You can also create hyperlinks to web URLs or other documents using the hyperlink dialog. If you're linking to a web URL and want to go further and customize a link that has parameters, use the Customize URL Parameters option to set values for each parameter. To link to another document in the BI repository, look for the document in the BI Launchpad and, in the Details view, copy the link. Once the link is copied, go back to the hyperlink dialog and paste it in. You can also link to a table, a free cell, a chart, and other elements by doing a right-click and copy the link. For those of you working with the Rich Client desktop application, you can now download the installer straight from the BI Launchpad preferences. We've added the possibility to create documents based on personal text data providers. Select the new text entry when creating a new document or when creating a query to browse the BI repository and select your text or CSV file. The application gives you the opportunity to select different options such as the data separator or text delimiter. For a complete list of the new features, check out the blog article linked in the description below. Also, the Influence campaign is still going on. The link is below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.